Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss dropshipping. We have all heard of it, whether it's a 13-year-old making thousands of dollars without lifting a finger. The point is, dropshipping can make a lot of money, but there are a few things that can go into starting a successful store. With only $50, I will show you how to start your own 10-figure business from the comfort of your own home. Okay. The simplest way for me to explain dropshipping to you is to imagine you making your own website. You slap on a fire product and you start advertising. Then the moment people start buying from your website, all you do is hit up your supplier to ship out the product for cheaper, leaving you with the profit. Step 1. We need to find a product. Finding a product can take a long time. There are a countless number of product search methods that people will tell you, but I'm going to tell you the best way to find products that has helped me make 6 figures with dropshipping. This product research does not require any money at all. The only thing you need is your phone. So what you're going to do is create a brand new TikTok account. Don't worry about the profile or description picture. Just sign up for a new account. Now, if you want to make money with dropshipping, we need to find a product that is absolutely blowing up on TikTok. TikTok is the most popular social media platform, so there are definitely people making tons of money with their own websites. This is where the method comes into clutch. You want to search up hashtags like hashtag TikTok made me buy, hashtag Amazon need, and hashtag Amazon finds. Scroll through these hashtags and like, comment, and engage. Literally do anything you want. Once you have found your product, you will need to create a website. To do this, go to shopify.com and create a brand new account. Then install the Zendrop and GrowWave apps. You also need to create a TikTok account. Zendrop and Upfront are supplier apps that allow you to add your products from their catalogs to your Shopify website. The TikTok account is where you will advertise and use TikTok to your advantage. GrowWave is a great app for beginners, as it is essentially combines 5 apps into one. It can be used to add customer reviews and build trust with your website, which will make people more likely to buy from your store. It also has a 24-hour customer support and tons of different tools to increase your sales. Once you have added products from your supplier to your website, it's time to start customizing and making it look good. Obviously, to make a website, you're going to need a good Shopify theme. A theme is essentially a layout where you can customize and put your own images and words on it. It's kind of like an outline. I recommend using Streamline or Debudify. They are very simple and look beautiful. You need to make your website look really professional, but also very, very simple. Now, it's time to advertise. Even though we're on a $50 budget, it's not that hard to start making money from dropshipping. You need this money to order the product from Amazon so you can actually start recording TikToks and going viral. So, while you're waiting for your Amazon to deliver your parcel, you're going to want to create social media accounts for your store. When you're making your TikTok and Instagram accounts, you don't want to make them look too scammy, but you also want to make them look simple and professional. When your product finally arrives, you need to start posting 3 TikToks every single day. I'm not just talking about simple TikToks with the product. You want to find other videos that went extremely viral with that specific product. Make sure the video is perfect and be consistent with the posting. You also need to post on Instagram Reels and build up traction there too. Not like your first video and the product will go viral. You have to be consistent. When you start making money from your dropshipping store, you need to make sure you connect your bank account to Shopify store. You can do this in Shopify payments in the settings. You will be receiving payouts every 1 to 3 days, and you can use that money to fulfill your orders. Do not connect to PayPal, because PayPal will hold your money and the fees are outrageous. After that, it's a simple repeating process of improving and getting better each day. Dropshipping is honestly one of those business models where the more you do it, the better you'll be. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.